Woo-hoo!
Dudley shared express duties with the others and managed swimmingly. Then the weather changed. The sky turned gloomy and gray. Mercifully, the rain was light, but one morning the yard manager brought worrying news. "Heavy rainfall is in the forecast today," he advised. "A temporary speed restriction will be in place on the main line, so mind yourselves and... where's Dudley?" "He's gone to the station, sir," said Bear. "The express will be leaving soon." "Bother," fussed the yard manager. "He needs to know about the restriction." "Not to worry, sir," smiled Bear. "I'm off to collect my local. I'll give him the message." The yard manager tipped his cap in thanks and walked away.